and how I teach you how to profit off the psychology of markets. Just on a little hike out in Red Rock, just chilling. But yeah, what about these markets, man? What are you doing? What are you doing during these times? You know, everyone freaking out. Bitcoin under 30K. Ethereum went under $2,000. You know, it's real simple. It's real simple. If you held this long, you know, just keep holding. You know, why are you going to capitulate down here? You know, buy the dips. When things get euphoric, sell some, but keep some. You know, don't sell everything. You know, it's always good to keep some in the portfolio. So, yeah, just making this video because right now is Friday, May 13th, Friday the 13th. Had a little green day. You know, it was good after like, what was it, 5 days of straight obliteration, you know, in the markets. It ain't fun. I've just been hitting the gym a lot more, you know, doing other things. You know, let it be. Buy the dip. Find companies that I want to buy and just buy them. See, right now I'm in a time for me where I think I need to scale back. Scale back on how you live, how much you spend, right? Save. Don't take on debt. Don't buy stupid shit. You know, just enjoy the simple things. You know, and accumulate. You know, now it's time to hunt and gather and get ready. Get ready for the next run, right? So, you know, I know shit looks scary. You know, especially if you're new or if you started trading after, let's say, March 2020. You know, things are scary, right? You know, I've been there. Been through a few of these runs. You know, I've been trading since 2009. I mean, it was scary then. It was scary in 2015. What was it? 2011, there was another one. 2018. You know, but you look back, look where we are. Look how far we came. You know, every once in a while you gotta look back and think, wow, look how far we came. We're still higher than we were ever before, right? What makes you think this time is different? You know, that's that ego. That's an ego problem. Oh shit! Did I get bit in the neck? No, I didn't. A lot of bugs out here and shit. Bees. But you know, what was I saying? You know, just look how far we've come, you know? Why do you think it's different this time? You really think we're gonna go to zero? If we do, there's a bigger problem, right? Your money probably won't matter. It won't matter. We'll have bigger problems. But until then, or if that never comes, you stick with the plan, right? You know, so there's a lot of blood on the streets. A lot of people scared, right? People freaking out. This is where you look for the opportunities. It's the best time to look for those opportunities, right? And whatever you're doing. Doesn't have to be in the markets, but talking strictly about the markets, you know, there's a lot of opportunity out there. And I think especially those that have been looking to buy or looking to accumulate, right now is a good time. You know, start dollar cost averaging, buying more than you usually do, right? Adding to your buying, right? And accumulate and hold. Don't play options, don't buy options, right? Unless you know what you're doing. And most people don't, right? Takes a little time to really understand options. So just stay away from them if you don't know what you're doing. But if you do know what you're doing, you know what to do. Sell premium, sell volatility, volatility's high. So you can make a lot of money doing that. It's boring, it's not sexy, but it works. But for me, I'm either selling puts or buying stock. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Buying crypto, Ethereum, Bitcoin, primarily looking for solid opportunities. I got some cash ready to buy. So, it ain't a fun time, not a fun time in the markets. So, but just keep your head up, right? Keep your head up, find things to do to take up your time. Don't look at those markets all day, right? Just keep a level head, and then come refreshed. Come refreshed to the markets. You come refreshed with a clear head. Don't try to trade this volatility chop, right? But keep a macro overview. You're like a general. Think of yourself as a general watching over your army. Your army's the money. And you just look for opportunities. You sit and wait, be patient. Look for ways where you can succeed and progress, right? Sometimes you gotta take a step back. That's okay. So just want to throw that out there for you guys. Hopefully that helps. Keep a level head. Don't freak out. This shit happens. But don't sell now. It's too late. Too late to sell. Ride it out. See ya.